Happy Fiesta San Roque, Legazpi City. Here I am, guys and gals. So come on, let's... Uy, thank you ah. Balikan ko. Siya pala si Alan. Alan, may kababata. Happy Fiesta. So let's go. Oh gosh, there's a sound. No. Oh gosh. Hold on, guys and girls. So here are my townmates. Happy Fiesta! Happy Fiesta! Happy Fiesta!
Happy Fiesta po, San Roque.
Happy Fiesta! Hello! Hi!
Introduce yourselves, guys.
Okay.
She's Ate Marisa, one of my townmates and my childhood friend.
Come here. You eat.
Hi, Bong. Happy Fiesta.
Kumusta?
Hoy.
Okay, sir, po, dito tong
Saro. Nagdaw bang saro ta?
Kari ba ni Bobo ah? Hoy, huwag ganun pa din eh. Just greet, just greet. Si great gari mang Bobo. Uy, dali na. Hi.
Later na.
Okay, sige. So this is Pacheco's family. Hi, happy Fiesta. Ate Marisa.
Ay, kita mo, I'm not Ate Marisa.
Ay, sorry. Ate Mean, sorry.
Ayun, nagiling ang
Machong.
vlog niya.
Uy, thank you ah. Iyo. Hi, Mayet.
Yes.
Hi, Kuya.
watch your
Thank you ah. When was the last time you watched my vlogs?
Yes. I did not remember.
Okay, but thank you anyway for watching. Please watch again.
Sige ang kanta mo.
O, diba?
Diba?
I always watch
Message
your
it.
vlog.
Sige ang kanta
Machong.
sa vlog niya.
Hi, sir.
English speaking pati.
Wow, thank you ah.
English speaking. Ay, no, I'm here in,
Huh?
what is
Where have
this?
you been?
Manila.
Where is this?
You know what, guys? Since she told me that I've been speaking in English on my vlogs, the reason why one of my mentor, Machong, she's the one who teaches me on how to speak in English when I was still a kid. Let's give a warm applause to Machong. How are you, Machong?
Fine.
Hi, then.
Now you know Ate Mayan why. One of my mentor.
Correct.
Yeah. So bye for now.
Okay, bye.
Happy Fiesta.
Thanks for coming.
Yeah.
Kaka na muna.
Tagtaon, okay? Thank you.
Okay, bye.
There she is, Gracia. How are you?
I need money.
Oh, why? I thought you were already rich. How are you? Promote your store.
No, kahit hindi kayo bumili.
That's one of my closest friend and my childhood friend, Gracia Pacheco. She's kind of funny, wacky, happy-go-lucky. She's also a dancer when she was still a kid. She really knows how to dance Tarzan Boy. And she really slayed the stage when she dances. So how are you, Grace?
Good.
Okay, very good. So I have to go. I'll be back with you, okay?
Yeah, bye-bye.
Hi. So we're getting here, guys and girls. I'm so excited. Hi. Getting near. Oh my gosh. How would they react once they see me? This is my relative's house. We're getting near. Hi, happy fiesta. Oh gosh, why is it that some kind of a not noisy in here? Tao po! Hi! Happy Fiesta!
Happy Fiesta! Mamumurot lang ngayon sana ito si ano.
Hello!
Oh, Tito Santos.
Si Ate Cha, si Milagros, my relative.
Relative. Kung nakaabot din.
Happy Fiesta!
Kung ano ngay maulit nito, ano na lang ito, mabuto na lang.
Happy Fiesta! Sige, sige. Happy Fiesta! Iyo nga ni. Happy... Ano?
Sabi na yung mga mo, maburot-burot lang sa na ito. Mauli. Kaya ba?
Sa Milagros, kamusta?
Ito, tanda na. Sakit ang tuhod.
Ayo.
Nakapan... Lang ipin.
So what are you eating?
Ngayon. Kaldereta ko no.
Are you cooked? Wow! Lots of money, ha? Si Dora, where's Dora? Ah, okay. So guys and girls, this is my family. Happy Fiesta! So bye for now, guys and girls. Thank you for watching. I didn't feel the heat. Happy Fiesta! Tita Rita, Happy Fiesta! Ay, na mga bisita mo. Mga bisita mo. Ayo. Ah, nagluto ka man?
Oo, nagluto man naman.
Oh. Sige. So bye for now, guys and girls.
Abida man lang kung iti iso, nakikaw si ma.